You're watching How Leap. Let's create a YouTube script using ChatGPT. First, open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com to access ChatGPT. Log into your account or create one if needed. In the chat input box, type a clear and detailed prompt for the script you need. For example, write a YouTube video script about how to start a vegetable garden. The video should be 10 minutes long, include an engaging hook, 3 main tips, and a call to action to subscribe. You can specify the tone, such as friendly and educational, and the target audience. Once ChatGPT generates the script, review it and copy the text. You can then ask for revisions by typing, make the introduction more dramatic or add a joke in the middle section. To structure the script properly, you can ask ChatGPT to format it with timestamps, speaker notes, and visual cues. For example, say add timestamps for each section and notes for on-screen graphics. You can also use ChatGPT to brainstorm video ideas and titles. Before scripting, after finalizing, paste the script into a document editor like Google Docs for editing and recording. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.